Hello, my patakas loaded with so much of cuteness. Welcome back to the channel Beauty Health Binge, and I hope you all are doing great in your life. So कुड़ियों, आपका ज़्यादा समय न लेते हुए और without any further delay, let's start today's video topic. Recently, I thought about trying out foaming face wash known as AHAGlow S foaming face wash. This is a foaming face wash which contains salicylic acid and glycolic acid. Both ingredients mildly exfoliate skin so that pores remains unclogged, giving you clear skin. The face wash also contains aloe vera extract to take away any harsh reactions of both the acids present in the face wash. This face wash is also best suitable for oily and acne prone skin. But hey, every product has its side effects too. We'll share at the end.
रुको जरा सबर करो बोला धक्का बुक्की नहीं करने
Face wash comes in a transparent plastic cylindrical bottle with a pump fitted at the top and covered with a plastic cap. Since the pump does not have any lock feature, the pump easily drops a small amount of foam which is enough to cover my face. Basically, the bottle contains clear liquid but dispenses foam which you can directly apply onto the skin. Although it is a white colored foaming face wash, that's how I can describe the texture of the face wash. As the company guides that this face wash is supposed to be applied onto the skin and massaged well for 20 to 30 seconds, avoiding the eyes and around, to be used twice for effective results. Friends, it mainly contains aloe extract, salicylic acid and glycolic acid, but complete ingredient list is here and its price is $4.57 for 60 ml in present time. Now friends, I want to share my experience with you all which I had while using this face wash. I used this face wash once a day for the initial few days, as combination of glycolic and salicylic acid is rather strong and hence it shows the result in the same magnitude on my face. My face actually perked little bit in the starting days of using this AHAGlow S foaming face wash. It was little flaky and dry onto my dry skin type, so I later started using it twice or thrice a week and my skin got comfortable with the face wash. My problems slowly sorted out and I really admired the results. My face was clearer without any bumps or black whiteheads. In my opinion, I would say this is a strong combination and you may receive some strong side effects of the face wash. Like your skin may become photosensitive because of using such strong acidic formulation. So you must use proper sun protection to prevent any sun damage further. But after a while, your skin will get used to it. Now friends, what I like about the face wash is it's a foaming face wash which is a combination of salicylic and glycolic acid, and it also contains aloe extracts to soothe down skin, cleanses skin thoroughly, and it's very good for oily and acne prone skin. Easy to use and carry around. On the other hand, what I dislike about the product is it's not for dry skin and might dry out your skin if you have combination skin or sensitive skin, and it's little pricey too with some side effects which I told you earlier also. For example, this is a foaming cleanser with exfoliating properties. So basically you exfoliate your skin every time you are using it, not physically but chemically. It's milder but it's for real. There are several side effects as well. If you use it for months, like more than 4 to 5 months, your skin might get used to the formula and it might stop working on your skin. Initially, your skin might feel really dry and rough. Your skin might get sensitive to the sun since you are exfoliating it regularly on a daily basis. At last, my girls, I would like to share some tips or mistakes you can say which I did while using this face wash. For example, In case you feel like a burning sensation upon application at any point of time, discontinue it immediately. I would recommend to use this face wash twice or thrice a week, and on the other days use the face wash which is suitable for your skin. This face wash is good for summers and for oily and acne prone skins, as it unclogs pores of dirt and oil by mildly exfoliating skin at a micro level. This face wash might feel bit drying at first, but skin will get used to the formulation pretty soon. So friends, this is it for today's video, and it's time to say alvida. Hope my efforts would help you to take your right decision whether to buy or not this AHAGlow S foaming face wash. And friends, before alvida, I would like to say, please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the channel Beauty Health Binge. Okay, bye.